Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Ajay Sharma Law. So today we are talking about a very important topic, Section 25, Permanent Alimony and Maintenance of Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Section 25, Permanent Alimony and Maintenance. Let's read throughout the bare act. Permanent Alimony and Maintenance. Any court exercising the jurisdiction under this act may, at the time of passing any decree or at any time subsequent thereto, on application made it to for the purpose by either the wife or the husband, as the case may be, order that the respondent shall pay to the applicant for her or his maintenance and support such gross sum or such monthly or periodical sum for a term not exceeding the life of the applicant, as having regard to the respondent's own income and the other property, if any, the income and the other property of the applicant, for the conduct of the parties and the other circumstances of the case, it may seem to the court to be just, and any such payments may be secured, if necessary, by a charge in the immovable property of the respondent. So it means a court can order a one spouse, the respondent, to pay the other spouse a specific amount of money. This can be a single lump sum amount payment or a regular payment amount like a monthly or a periodic allowance. This payment is meant to cover the other person's maintenance and the support, and the court can make this order when it's issue a divorce decree or at any point after that. When deciding on the amount, the court can consider the several factors like income and the property of the both husband and wife, and the behavior or conduct of the parties are also involved in the other relevant circumstances of the case, and the payment can be ordered for the rest of the applicant's life and can be legally secured by putting a charge on the respondent's immovable property such as a house or a land. This means that if the respondent doesn't pay, the property can be used for the cover of the debt. Second, if the court is satisfied that there is a change in the circumstances of either the party, it may, at the instance of either party, vary, modify, or rescind any such order in such manner as the court may be deemed just fit. Basically, the court can change, modify, or even cancel the alimony order if it is convinced that the financial or personal circumstances of either the party have changed, and since the original order was made, either person can ask the court to make this change. Third, if the court is satisfied that the party in whose favor an order has been made under this section has remarried, or if such party is the wife, that she has not remained chaste. Chaste refers to the kind of loyalty, or she is unable to maintain character. Or if such party is the husband, that he has had the sexual intercourse with any woman outside the wedlock. It may, at the instance of the other party, vary, modify, or rescind any such order in such manner as the court may be deemed just to be fit for the decision. It's referred to the court can change or cancel the alimony order if it is find that the person receiving the money has, first condition is that, remarried. If the recipient is a wife and she is found to be unchaste, means she is not loyal, or it's meant to be say like a characterless. And third, if the recipient is the husband and he commits the adultery and sexual intercourse with another woman outside of the marriage. In this situation, the other party can ask the court to change or end the maintenance payment. So that's all about Section 25 of Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Thanks for watching guys. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Okay, bye bye guys.